One time I forgot. Oops.
Lesson 22. Right now I'm before we meet, I just finished the reading of lesson 23. 23 is a little difficult. 22 is okay. Let me see. Oh, 22, please.
23 is what?
23 is a little difficult. And some software in the reading materials. And no software. The reading materials mentioned one software, but in our Excel software, not the software.
Something to look forward to.
Yes, and they said ANOVA and the linear regression ANOVA about the
linear regression for an ANOVA test.
Yeah, ANOVA test is another test, but in the linear regression, no ANOVA inside the linear regression. So I cannot find the degree of freedom.
Are you talking about lesson 23?
Yes.
I haven't even started on that. I haven't even looked at it.
Because I usually start early, because next week I will have many things package all everything, and I will package all everything to move. Wow.
Sorry, I'm not very helpful with that. I won't be doing that one until Monday morning.
Yeah, same here.
Okay. Yeah, we can start. Yeah, I just opened the documents of the group quiz, lesson 22 group quiz. Okay.
Yep. All right, so question 3. Given the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept?
0. 2.0.
It's like algebra. It's crazy. I was like, wait, I learned this in like 9th grade.
I remember learning it, but I don't remember it.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, me neither. But I remember learning it. That was like 10 years ago. At least. No, 11. Yeah.
All right, so 3 is 0. Right?
2.0.
Right. What did I say?
Yeah, and the question 3, the answer is 2.0.
2.0. Because it's that first, right.
All right, number 4. Round the linear regression equation, y equals 2.0 plus 1.5x. What is the slope? Round to 1 decimal.
Oh, 1.5?
That's what I got.
Is that right, John?
Yes.
1.5?
Yeah, 1.5.
All right, question 5. Given the linear regression equation, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 16?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, hi,
okay.
Hi, sorry I'm late.
No problem.
On number 5. So do you want to get in and we'll wait for you to, we'll tell you, we'll get you caught up.
Okay, hang on just a second for me. All right, just take me another quick second. Let's see. Thanks, guys. Sorry, I'm sorry I'm late.
You're fine. We really did just start the quiz. We were chatting.
Okay. Let me pull it up here.
Tessa's at Disneyland.
Tessa.
I know, right? Super exciting.
I'm really close to her now. I'm like a mile away from Disneyland right now.
That's so funny.
Oh.
Okay, I'm almost there. Is it warm out there?
It's like perfect. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just perfect.
Yeah, it's a perfect day to be at Disneyland. That's for sure.
Oh,
And the beach.
I think I'm there.
Yes, on the beach.
Yeah.
I'm not
I'm
sold on
there.
West Coast beaches, actually.
You never been?
I have.
Wow.
It's cold. East Coast beaches are so much better.
Are they warmer?
Oh my gosh, yes.
I didn't know that. Never been. I don't know. They are cold though. They can be really cold. Even in the summer when it's like 100 degrees out, they can still be a little cold.
Right. Okay, are you ready, Susan?
Yeah.
Yes.
So for 3, it's 2.0.
Right.
And 4 is 1.5.
Where's 1.5?
Mhm.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. So then 5, is it 1?
That's what I got.
Yeah, 1.0. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let me pull up that.
I can't pull this up because I'm using my wife's computer. My computer I left at home because I didn't even think I would be able to make it today. But things
I
change.
haven't put it yet.
Yeah.
Hang on just a second. I got it. Oh, come in. Come on.
She doesn't have any Microsoft Word or PowerPoint for some reason, or Excel.
All right, hang on here. We got here.
I don't know why? I should get her some of that.
You should, because you get it. It's expensive through BYU, Idaho.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you go through. Go through the BYU Idaho's, like where you sign in. And I don't remember exactly where it is, but you
Oh yeah, I remember.
download all kinds of stuff and it's a really good deal.
Yeah.
Really good deal.
I'll do that then on this computer because my computer obviously has it, but this one doesn't.
So I have a question. How do you decide what goes where? Like which one is the explanatory variable and which one is the response variable, unless when it doesn't tell you?
And it depends what you want to know will be the response.
Oh, so whatever the question that is being asked will determine.
Yes, and it depends what we want to know or they want to know. They want to predict then we can decide that will be the response or depend variable.
Well, okay. Susan sent a text, but what did it say?
She got kicked out of the video.
Oh, we can wait for her.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Oh,
she's back.
wow. Come back,
I'm
welcome.
back. Jeez, wait. Honestly. All right, where did you get all your Excel stuff up?
Yeah, I got mine in.
All right. Let me see. What shape are we in? Is that what it wants to know?
Yeah,
Does that look like a hot dog to anybody?
that's what I would guess it is a hot
Yeah, me
dog
too.
shape.
All right.
My leg's falling asleep.
All right. Oh,
Okay, so are we good to go on?
I think so.
Okay, so
All right, let
number
me see.
7, based on the are you ready?
I just lost my quiz. Now, oh, I'm a mess tonight. Where is it?
It's all right.
Oh, got it. All right. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay,
Not ready.
number 7, based on the shape of the scatter plot you produced in the last question, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these data? The first one,
Mhm.
simple linear regression is appropriate.
I think so, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
John, what do you think?
Okay, you mean which question? The question 6?
7.
7.
7. Question 7. You mean the of the 3 data sheet introduced in the reading, which sheet best describe this data? You mean the question? 7.
We
Okay.
did 6.
Okay.
We did hot dog shape.
Okay. Question 7. That's first one.
Okay.
That's
And did you,
First one, that's right. I thought.
yeah.
and
I think
the hot dog shape for number 6 is right?
Yes.
Okay.
So number 2 the hot dog sheet.
Yeah. Okay.
Then the question 7 is the first one. First option, simple linear regression is the appropriate for this data. Yeah. Yeah, first one.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Number 8 then. How many observations are in the data?
Probably is 139.
139. Does it say that somewhere on the?
Yeah, I was going to ask that.
Does it say that somewhere on the Excel spreadsheet, or do you just have to look at how many? Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Is there like a?
Yeah, where did you find that, John?
And I just calculate. And
Okay. So you figured it out.
in the software, no, there equal not the number in the software, not the number. I just
Okay.
calculate by myself.
Right. Okay.
All right, very good.
All right. What is the y-intercept? Is that 18.69?
Yes.
Lovely.
18.69. 18.69. Yep.
What is the slope? 12.695.
Yes.
All right. Number 11. What is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
Yeah.
Is that the 69.469?
Yeah. 69.469. Yeah, correct.
Right. What did you get for number 9 again? 18.69?
Yep.
Yeah, just
Okay.
put the x equal 4 into let me see into the software. Let me see.
Okay.
Are you,
That's
do
right.
you have your software up, Susan?
I have what?
Yeah, so
Do you have your software up?
confidence and
Yes.
predicting interval. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just put it.
So are you able to see where we're getting all of these?
Yes.
Okay,
I had the wrong
I just
number
wanted-
put in.
Oh, can you show me? I can't get mine up because
Yeah.
I don't have it.
On Excel?
I don't have Excel on this computer, so I can't get it.
Can I switch my...
I think you can if you do share screen, which is a little green screen
I
with the
can't share
arrow on it.
I'm on my phone.
Oh,
But can I switch the camera around so it's... Oh, there it is.
maybe. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
So...
Yeah, correct.
move.
Right.
So this is where the
Yeah,
y-intercept
wow.
is. That's the slope. And then when you want it, when it gives you the x, you put it in right here,
Yes.
and then that's the predicted. That's what
Oh,
y
okay, so that's-
will be.
Okay. I see.
Okay, thank
Just wanted
you.
to see what the thing is on that.
Took me forever to get my phone to sit up.
All right. I must have done something wrong because I don't have the same numbers that you do. I've got the x equals 4. What did you?
Did you put the data in the right columns?
I hope so.
In the problem, it said, let me find it.
I probably did it
said
backwards.
to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable. So under your explanatory variable, it should be like 4.34, 4.73, 5.28. That should be under the first
No.
column. Do you have that under your
The
response
first-
variable?
Oh, yeah, I do. I have it under the response, so I did it backwards.
So you just have them put in backwards.
All right, let me see if I can do that right then. All right, just a second. Right, I think I got it now.
I just read 12 and I have no idea what it's asking, so I don't get this at all. So it says the confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? Oh, does that mean, and it says hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y? So does that mean you put 6?
Yeah, I just put the 6. I just put the 6.
That's what I want.
X.
That's what I wonder.
94.859.
Yeah, 94.859.
What's that? 0.859.
94.859.
For what?
Number 12.
For what question?
Number 12.
Okay, so do you put the 6 in the X thing over there? Is that what you do?
Yeah.
How did you get that? I don't see it on here.
How did I get what?
That big number to the 94.859. I thought
So you put the
Am I?
under the little box that says confidence and prediction intervals for regression response.
Right.
Under the X, you put 6.
There it is. I see it right there. I didn't put the
And then
6 in. I'm
change the
sorry.
That's okay.
Yep. Got it. I got it. Got it.
Okay, 13. How many explanatory independent variables are present in a simple linear regression?
Only one.
Thought so.
Oh, right, because the other one is the response variable. Why are we not charging?
And then number 14, how many response-dependent variables are present in simple linear regression?
One.
1.
1.
Yep. All right.
Okay, so a company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes. Meaning the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? This is where I get confused.
Circumference.
And because they want to know, they want to predict the size of height. So I think the response variable will be the size of height.
So the response variable is what they want to know,
Yes,
and the
because in this they already taught us the company wants to predict size of height given the circumference. So I think the size.
What they know is the response variable. What kind of changes that is the explanatory variable, right?
The answer, let me, the size of height. Answer
So it's the first one.
Yeah, first one.
So the circumference, because that is being used to predict the size of the hat, is the explanatory variable.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yes, that's
Changing the, like, that's what changes the I don't even know what I'm saying.
It's
but I
okay.
think I got it. I just don't know how to explain it. All right. I'm submitting.
Yay. 100%.
So, I have a quick question.
Okay.
Number 11. Is that 69.469?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
6946.
Yeah, 69.469.
All right. Let me make sure I got my grade here before I get out. Because I couldn't quite hear some of it, but. Oh, it's not going to let me submit it. All right. Can I just go through the answers all, because I'm going to have to get out of here and go do it again. So, let me see.
Your poor computer.
I know it. Number 3 is 2.0, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And number 4 is 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
5 is 1.
Yes.
And 6, we picked the hot dog, right?
Hot dog.
Yes.
Okay. 7 is the first one.
Yep.
8 is 139.
Yes.
And 9 is 18.69.
Yeah, correct.
And 10 is 12.695.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah,
And then 11 is 69.469.
correct.
And then 9, 6.859.
9459.
And say that 94.859.
Right.
94.859.
Write that down. Hang on. That is 12. 94.859. And then 13 is 1, 14 is 1, 15 is the first one, the size of the hat, because of the variable being predicted.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Right.
Awesome. You guys are great.
Awesome.
So next week I am late nurse again, and I'm not sure. I won't know until that day if I'm going to be here Monday or Thursday. So Justin, I'll get my information off to you. I know he said we have to answer our questions, but do we turn those in separately from you, or do we turn everything into you?
You turn those in on your own, but you I'm just gonna be doing everything as a group. The second half of it will be
All right.
Yeah.
We turn in the first 3 questions of our own, and then you do the rest for the group, or do we need to wait for you to send it to us and then we attach it to our paper?
What he told me was that you guys just ignore that part completely.
Okay.
So I'm guessing, I mean, I can email him just to clarify. I didn't ask that specifically, but he said they can ignore that part. That's only for you to worry about, basically.
Okay.
So
So it sounds like you just do that and we don't put it on our paper at all.
all right.
Okay.
Very good.
Do
Okie dokie.
you still send it to us?
I could.
Do you still want to send it to us to just let everybody read it?
Sure. I'll send it to you guys before I turn it in, so you can review it. And if you like it, then I'll turn it in. If you want to change some things, I'll change some things.
Okay.
Very
Sounds
good.
lovely. All right. So I'll see you guys on Monday.
All right. See ya.
Thanks, everyone.